Very good evening. This side Rahul Magan here as Group Chief Executive Officer Treasury Consulting and also a venture capitalist. As we speak on 27th October 2020, the two phases of our advanced equity valuation course are done, which precisely means more than 5 videos are already provided to the members, those who opted for it. And as we speak, the members have decided to go ahead with one of the beautiful companies of India, and I'm going to be using their annual report, which is in the public domain, and some data which is available on Bloomberg and Reuters to compute the free cash flow to the firm, free cash flow to equity, and free cash flow to debt. So, precisely what I mean to say is that in this course, we are teaching people the importance of intrinsic value, because Treasury Consulting Hedge Fund Desk is a strong believer of intrinsic value, and we are not a believer of the fake information which is happening around, circulating around, covering various by so-called operators. And one of the basic premise of intrinsic value is an equation which link with EPS, but I cannot tell you here. We have already shared a video, more than 5 videos in that regards to our participant, and now to prove this video, we all participants jointly agreed on one company. I am going to be taking the annual report of this company, and I am going to be computing the basic EPS and the diluted EPS. And more importantly, I would be computing free cash flow to the firm, free cash flow to equity, and free cash flow to debt. And I will let all my members know the basic premise of intrinsic value. As we speak, today is Tuesday, early morning Tuesday, and probably by Wednesday evening, this Excel file would be ready, which we will circulate to our members. And this Excel file would be first of kind model that we would have on the intrinsic value. On this Excel file, Treasury Consulting would be launching one audiobook, and that audiobook would be available by Friday. And I have not yet decided the price of that audiobook, but we will definitely let you know about that audiobook. But one thing which is sure, that Treasury Consulting in a due course of time would be launching several knowledge-based products, which includes advanced equity valuation course, the FX derivative course, I would say the valuation courses, the more importantly, IFRS courses, and last but not the least, MCX COMEX spread. So we would be launching a hell lot of stuff, which is video based, audiobook based, and in some cases one-to-one live trainings. After this advanced equity valuation course, as I said, that from 15th November 2020, participations are on, people are participating. We are starting our new course, which is foreign exchange and derivative series basic version. And this course, I think, would be live from between 15th to 17th November. And as soon as this course is live, we would be starting foreign exchange and derivative series advanced version. So guys, there is a hell lot of action which is on the cards, and we are assuring you that in another 6 months, approximately 10 plus video courses are coming. And we would be linking with Reuters, Bloomberg, the financial terminals. We would be linking this with the news channels, the annual report of the banks, everything which is in the public domain, so that we wanted to let people know that the world of financial market is really very big compared to what we see in books. And the end result is, like today, somebody wrote to me, he was working in some treasury process of some Indian IT company, and he wrote to me that he wanted to learn treasury. I was thinking, like, on paper, there are so many treasury processes we have managed by Indian IT companies. But how many of them are at par with the banks we have in US? I don't think so. People in these processes are just like doing a routine job, and they themselves do not know what they are doing. But I'm going to be launching so many things in next 6 months to make sure that people know what they are up to. So phase 2 of advanced equity valuation course done. Phase 3 to be done by Wednesday night, you can say. Phase 4 to be done by Friday night, and the last phase is the virtual conference where we're going to be addressing using live readers. And here comes the conclusion of the course. Have a good time. Talk soon.